Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So this is HP LaserJet MFP M126 NW printer, and you can see here I'll be showing you how to enable this Wi-Fi option so that you can give print job orders from your mobile or from any tablet or something like that wirelessly. So make sure, the very basic thing. So if this light is on, blue color light, and if your network's IP address is visible here, you can see here, right? And if the status is ready, and if when the status is ready, if your IP address is being displayed here, then that means your printer is actually in the network. I'll show you. I have connected only power cable. You see, only power cable is there, no other connection. You can see there is no other connection, only power cable. So currently my printer is in the network, so in the wireless network. So very first step is to click on this button. So whenever your printer is not in the wireless network, and if you click on this Wi-Fi button, the option starts blinking here, like searching for the WPS or something like that. Press WPS button on the router, something like that. Now you go to your router and modem and you just try to search the WPS button. WPS is nothing but wireless push setting or something. Yeah, push setting or something like that. So you try to search the WPS button on your modem, but you are not able to find it. What to do? So you just simply need to switch on your laptop, go to your modem settings like this, 192.168, any standard address, IP address would be there. Make sure you are connected to the same network, and then after logging into the connections of, or maybe the configuration of the router, you're supposed to select the perfect, you're supposed to select this WLAN settings, and underneath of it you're supposed to select the correct band. So there are two bands, 5G and 2.4G. So this laptop is currently connected to the 2.4G band. Okay, so what I will be doing is I'll be selecting this 2.4G band settings, and then I will click on the WPS here. You see, acha, my login has been expired. Let me log back in. Okay, admin password I had copied. 1NX G percent B. Okay, let me go back to this WLAN, no, not WLAN, WLAN, and the connected band should be selected properly. Here you can see the WPS option. If I click on the WPS option, I will be able to see this start PBC, push button configuration. PBC is nothing but the push button configuration, this one. So once you click on this button, start PBC, your modem actually sends a signal to the printer, and then it gets connected to the network, and then probably your modem or your printer will be restarted, and once it is restarted, you'll be able to see this IP address. And if your IP address is displayed here, just be assured that your printer is in the network. So I'll show you how to print wirelessly. Let's say this is my mobile, okay, and if I want to give, if I'm in the same network, just mind it. So we just have to be in the same network. All these devices must be in the same network. Although I'm using extender, in fact in my case I'm using an extender, but it is just an extender. So I need to be sure that the network is the same. And now if I want to give a printout of this, I will say, let's say print with HP app. There is one option to print the document from the HP application. and then you see the printer is listed here. This is my printer's name, right? But now print preview is not there. Let me check what's wrong. You see, I can see the print preview, page 1 of 3, 2 of 3 and 3 of 3. I will not select the last one. I just want 2 pages. Printer is selected here. I'll give print order. As soon as I give print order, you can see here, job would be sent. You see, printing a document. So this is absolutely wireless. This is not through wire. And now I have removed that tray of the paper parcel, this holding tray. This is the first document, you see, and this is the second document, right? So make sure you are in the same network and doing current settings through WPS, then it should work always. And this is a one-time setting, so you need not worry about doing this setting each and every time. So let me know if you are able to do the setting properly, and if not, let me know. You just ask the questions in the comment box. I'll try to answer these questions. Thanks for watching the video.